Hi, good afternoon everyone. Wide Open Transit Farm. How are you today? I'm hoping everything is alright. And about me, if there is asking, I'm fine too. And of my plants, it's not high so much from the soil to the end of the top of the plant. Maybe it's 3 or 4 feet the length of my plant, and in every branches there was a fruits. The color of the fruits is green, and next color turn to orange. And if the fruits was ripened, it's turn to red. I was already harvesting the fruits that needed to be harvested. I am using a scissor to cut the tiny stem that connected to the branches of the plants. And I am wearing a gloves to protect my hands, because this kind of pest, the hottest compare of fruits, it is good to use for making a sauce, chili, soap, and salsa. Thank you for watching, and also the supports. Basic. God bless you always. I ask, please subscribe Wide Open Transit Farm. Please click the bell all to receive a notification